Ganofins, this is your Ganofins here and welcome back to C++ programming tutorial guys. In this tutorial I'm going to tell you about the logical operators. We use logical operators to combine conditional statements and return true or false. There are actually two kinds of logical operator. First is AND, second is OR. Let's see the AND operator. In the AND operator, both operands must be true for the entire expression to be true. Let's take the example of AND operator, AND logical operator. Let's give it a try. Integer age equals to 20. If age greater than 16 and age less than 60, then this statement will execute. See out. Great. F11 compile and run, which means great has been printed to your screen. If I do this, if age greater than 16 but not uh, less than 20, if I do this, then if I run this thing, you can see there is not any output on your screen because this statement is not true, because this is true but this thing is not true. In AND operator, both condition must be true, then it and only it will run. If this will not happen, then it will not run, then it will not execute. That's how the AND operator works. Now let's talk about the OR operator. The OR operator returns true if any one of its operands is true. You can use OR operator by using these 5 symbols. Now save it. If any of these condition is true, then this statement will execute. Let's run it. It is printed. And this is true, but this is false. Then it run. If this is true and this is true, let's see what happens. Run. Again it printed the message. That's how the OR operator works. Well, I hope you guys understood about the operator, logical operator things, how these AND operator, how this OR operator works. If you have any question or query regarding to these operators, logical operators, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Well, thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that red button for getting updates. Don't forget to hit that bell icon for getting notified on my every upload on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching.